everybody, my name is Angela Davis with AngelaDecorates.com, formerly Prettifier Life, and today I'm launching a labor of love project, and that is this centerpiece kit. Now, I developed this centerpiece several months ago, different themes. I posted it on Facebook, I posted it on Instagram, and so many people want to know how to make it, so I thought this would be a great opportunity to not only make a how-to video, but also put it along with a kit that I'm listing on Etsy. All of the links are going to be down below this video. So I wanted to show you on a dining room table. This is a 6-foot dining room table, so you can see the scale of the centerpiece kit you will be getting. It is about 17 inches wide by 15 inches tall, so it's a substantial piece. You can put it on a dining room table, a breakfast table, coffee table, console table. It's very versatile. But most importantly, you are going to get to make this and have this in your home. So let's take a closer look at what's included in the kit. So when you place your order off of my Etsy store for the January kit, here is what you will get. You will get foam, a felt cover, two different deco meshes, and these are already pre-cut, so when you get them it'll look like this, but if you start peeling them away, they're in the pieces already pre-cut for you. So you'll get red and you'll get pink. You'll get some chenille stems, some cute little Valentine floral picks, and then you will get 5 different types of ribbon, and these are all wired and they're very good quality ribbon, most of which you're not going to be able to find in the craft stores. These are also pre-cut for you at the right lengths. I have left the ends for you to cut how you like. Some people like the angle cut, some people like the dovetail cut. So that's going to be something you will have to decide on and do for yourself. But as far as the lengths of ribbon, they're all pre-cut for you. And then lastly, an Angela Decorates exclusive floral pick in either Cupid's Arrow or Valentine Kisses. I put a survey on my Facebook and Instagram about which one everybody liked, and it was honestly very split, and I can't make up my mind either, so I'm going to offer one or the other. So when you go to order on Etsy, pick if you want Cupid's Arrow or Valentine Kisses, and a dowel to adhere it onto the sign so that you can put it in the centerpiece. So the centerpiece kit is $38.95 plus shipping, which I think is a really good value considering you're getting all kinds of pre-cut ribbon and deco mesh and an exclusive pick made by me. So I really hope you like it. I hope you place the order and give it a try, because my heart is for the average person that wants to make their life beautiful, and I want to be able to break down the steps in a very easy way so that you can make things beautiful in your home and take pride in the crafts that you make. So go on over to my Etsy store and place your order. Thanks.